I am cooked.
Hey guys, this is actually my first Animal Company video, and I'm here with... Why do you look like a lemon?
I don't know, because I can.
We're going on a mining trip, because we're both broke as heck right now, and
Well,
yeah,
I don't have a freaking
I need
backpack.
footage to edit. Can you?
I then proceeded to not beat the crap out of him. For ruining my intro, I have no idea what makes you people think I would do that.
You interrupted the intro! Do you need a bag?
No, I do not need a bag. I have to bring off my... Oh, hey, I'll take that. I'll take that.
Yeah, take one of the not rare ones. Let's go, let's go. Okay,
Yeah,
mine.
do not like that.
Try to get research points and also mine stuff. Let it fall to the bottom, and then we can grab that later.
But it could despawn. Oh, hey, I got a research point on my first try.
Cool. I'm gonna go aim for the, what's it called? Magma cubes.
Why are you going down here?
Because I want magma cubes. That's not the area for magma cubes. That was loud.
That's the
That's
Mimic
Mimic.
Cave.
I thought that was you.
Not gonna
I'm
lie,
looking
it's
for a
probably the
lava
best
area.
cave besides...
Oh, crap.
I see spiders.
I hear
terrifying.
spider. Where? I want to kill him. Spidey.
He was right
Spider-Man.
below us 3 seconds ago. I'm scared.
I can't hit him. He's too tall. Oh my
Now
god.
you can. How did he do that? I killed it and then tested
Want to go to
it.
planetarium?
Okay. Bad.
Yeah.
You wanna risk your life and go on the real way?
Nope. I'm going the smart way. Okay, the broccoli will give us a decent amount of money, I think. Please. Broccoli will give us some. Not a stupid amount, but some. Okay. I got all I want here. I still want some space for the magma cubes. Why are you a lemon?
Limon!
What?
My grappler! Attack my rare grappler!
I'll get it. I got your grappler. It's on the sun.
How far can I?
Ha. Uh-oh. Let's go sell the stuff we got real quick.
I didn't get anything.
Oh my
Why did you leave that? You got it first try. Yeah, we got barely any money from that. Let's go mining, really. Like, let's go get some magma cubes and stuff. Magma cube time. Hold on a second, my friend's calling me. You can be a crab! Genu.
I mean, who doesn't?
Okay, so our goal is to find magma cubes, right?
Yes.
Bruh.
I know where they are.
I don't think I have a single normal grappler.
Let me get one. I can get you one.
Thank you.
Here you go. Oh.
Gracias.
Also, I watched the thingy.
What thing? Sorry, sir.
Critters I watched Critters Part 2 when it was only 30 minutes out.
Cool. I have a fan.
It's right here.
The magma cube area.
The Magma Cube area.
That's Angler. We should like kill him probably.
Yeah, I do not.
It scares me each freaking time. Die. There we go. He's dead.
It's not stuck no more. Now
I
it's
swear, there is zero magma cubes back here. Don't even bother coming over here. Magma cubes.
Just why not you mine? I collect.
Okay.
I won't.
Should I collect them as well?
Yeah, because I'm stuck right now.
Give me the stupid magma cube game. Oh my god.
If I die,
scares me
collect
so
all my
bad.
magma cubes.
Okay, up.
Ow!
So it's not even funny.
I think
how
I'm
much
gonna
it scared
die.
me. Yep.
Yeah, guys, collect all my magma cubes. Don't revive me, please.
Okay.
I'll grab your stuff when you respawn.
Why'd you bring a good grappler?
I don't know why he didn't just ask for one.
I'm gonna take this because I lost mine.
Why can't I grab this? There we go. You lost your grappler. Oh shoot!
I got scared, bro.
I know.
My bag is full.
Mine's pretty much full, yeah.
Should we just... Come on.
I'm scared to move. Ow, ow. Health is low too.
We need to find a green block.
My health is really low as well. I don't think I can go in there. My bag is completely full.
No, we're not getting more.
No, what I'm saying is that I'm gonna die because of the lava. I'm just gonna leave the game and join the code again. I'm back.
Yeah, guys, I gotta go.
Oh yeah, you collected my magma cubes.
Let's go sell our stuff.
For some reason it weighs nothing, but then when I pick it up in hand,
I have a pretty full bag of magma cubes. Let's see just how many.
yeah.
Hopefully we get a lot.
Yeah,
At
I'm
least
hoping for
3K.
the 10 One second, I gotta buy something.
Okay. I'm going.
Can I tell you what I'm getting?
What?
I'm getting the brand new boomerang. It can kill players in 2 hits.
I'm coming with you.
It's all I know is that
Why the heck didn't you bring a grappler?
because I'm built different.
Okay, well I can't go that way. I'm gonna go buy the small broccoli now, because I have the big one.
Parkour!
What is it? I don't really care about that. Where is that? Here it is. Mini broccoli. I'm gonna be broke now. Yay. I'm tiny. Where are you? Good talk. There you are. Oh. Punching bag. Oh, what the?
Guess what?
What? Boomerang.
Where did it go?
It'll come back. Probably. Where is it?
Oh, wait a minute.
Yoink.
It does. You know, come out here. Come out here.
And why is that?
I'm gonna kill you because you've tried to yoink this.
I can run faster than you anyway.
First of all, oh yeah, there.
You know what we should do? You know what we should do? I think we should have a hammer battle in that big airport-looking area in the studios.
Bad.
We can't start yet. We can't start yet.
Look how high I'm going.
We ready?
Hi!
Come on.
We gotta jump and hit each other.